Today's breakfast is brought to you by leftovers.com. So we're gonna fry up some breadfruit. We have some oil in the pot right here. Not a lot, because you already know, so when you refry breadfruit, you don't need a lot of oil. And this is the breadfruit. Yes, we roasted it the other day and sliced it and put it in the fridge. So we're gonna fry it up for breakfast this morning. This is one of the items on my list of luxury foods. Yes, roast breadfruit, luxury. Alright guys, so after frying up my onion and my garlic, I just went ahead and added the baby back ribs to fry it up a little bit. Then I added the can of baked beans, and now I'm allowing it to just come together to cook down nicely, make a nice rich sauce. And I'm just seasoning it up now with some garlic powder, you know, our go-to already in Yardie by the kitchen. And I have a little bit of onion flakes or minced onions that I'm using also, and this guys just helps to introduce a little bit more flavor. Yes, this is our 21 seasoning salute. It has a very herby vibe to it, and this is from Trader Joe's, and of course a little hint of pepper will, you know, take it over the edge to another level. So I'm just adding some cayenne pepper to that, and pretty much, yeah, stir it up a little bit more and getting a good thing going on. All right, so now we're adding our tomatoes, because we're adding it because we're making a nice rich sauce, and a little bit of ground black pepper is definitely going to be beneficial to the dish. All right, so yeah. All right guys, so this is the breakfast, you know. This is the featured breakfast of the morning. Yes, courtesy of leftovers.com. Oh god, yes guys, don't sleep on your leftovers, because you can make an amazing meal. You know, most times it's breakfast, yeah, from your leftovers. So yeah, this is our baby back rib cooked in baked beans served up with some roasted breadfruit, fried over roast breadfruit, and we have a little bit of plantain on the side and some cucumbers and a tomato. Yeah, so the thing set.
In other words, it's pork and beans.
Pork and beans, yes.
So I definitely need one day detox.
Guys, I threw down some seeds the other day for callaloo seeds, and I didn't even realize that a couple of them actually started sprouting up and growing. So we have callaloo coming along here. Hopefully they survive and parasites don't come and terrorize them. So we have that. We have one lone one over here. So I know I threw a couple over here, but only one survived. Yeah, so I am having high hopes for a nice callaloo patch eventually. We have some ginger that was over here, right? And it had these nice lush leaves, and now the leaves have dried up and disappeared. So I'm thinking, I think I heard that once that happens and it's time for you to reap the actual ginger. So I'm gonna dig them up today and see what's going on, what's up in the ground for us in terms of crop. So I could do that now. Oh, so I never realized that my beetroot look like it catching too. I had planted a beetroot here, and yeah, it's springing up pretty nicely. Oh my gosh, yes, we need to really follow the vegetable garden. It's looking really sparse, really bare, so we're gonna go get some stuff this week and try to plant up some more tomatoes and stuff. All of my tomatoes have produced and now died, so I need to replenish them alongside other herbs. So yeah, why is there seriously in the thing? Why is seriously? Lord help me, Jesus. So I'm heading to the shed right now so that I can get one of the forks so I can dig up the ginger to, yes, to reap them. So I'm just going in cautiously. I'm always a little bit squeamish when I'm in the shed because I'm just thinking that there's some creepy crawly waiting to pounce upon me. But hey, this is the fork, so I'm good to go. I'm gonna head over to the patch now and just start by digging out all of the ones that I see that looks like they're ready. All right, so immediately as I pull out the first one, I can tell it's not ginger, guys. It's actually turmeric, which I'm happy about because I can always go ahead and juice those with my carrots, which I like doing. So that is it, you guys. I'm just gonna finish up outside and then head back in, and that's a wrap for today's vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching Vlogmas. If you have not yet checked out the other Vlogmas videos, be sure to check them out on Yardie TV, saying live and laugh, cook and eat. Remember me tell you, much love, much peace, much blessings. So the thing set.